If you've been doing scrapping any time at all, or if you're going to start doing scrapping, this is one item that you'll definitely come across. It's pretty simple to scrap out. I know some people shred these things down all the way to nothing. It's pretty simple to take care of. The first thing you want to look for is, of course, any yellow brass fittings or copper fittings that will be on the top here where your water comes in and out. Of course, you're going to have some good thick gauge copper wiring there. Another place that you're going to come across yellow brass will be on this relief valve here. Sometimes I have seen models that have that bottom drain valve down there will be yellow brass, but pretty uncommon. Now you're going to have heating element and thermostat doors. They're going to be held in with a screw. We'll open those up. That's going to have some more copper wire in it, and there'll be some copper elements on the thermostat fittings. So that's one item that you're gonna see a lot of, and it's probably got after you take everything off of it, there's going to be a good 40 pounds or so of shred steel. Now these caps and everything have a screw in them, but you can take all this off, and the older hot water heaters will have insulation similar to what you see in your house, but the newer ones have got the low expansion foam that they put in there in a liquid state, and then it expands. But either way, there's no sense in taking all that apart. You're just going to have a lot of trash that you're going to have to wind up throwing up. So most yards that I've ever been to will take that hot water heater complete like that. But let's open it up, these doors up, and take our yellow brass off, and we'll show you what we're going to have there. Okay, we finished our tear down. As you can see, we got several good pieces of some pretty thick copper solid wire. We've got some aluminum off the tag of the relief valve. Another little piece of copper that held that relief valve tag on. We got a yellow brass fitting that was on the top. We have the yellow brass and copper mix relief valve, pretty heavy. We have the thermostat, which has got some yellow brass contacts on it. We'll be breaking those loose. So that's the good stuff, or precious metals, I guess you could say, out of our hot water heater. There's the door and that into the thermostat and heating element doors, where we took that off. So this whole big piece now is ready to go in your shred steel pile. So that, like I say, they're pretty easy, pretty simple. All you really need is a pipe wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, and some wire clippers, and of course eye protection and gloves. And that's a quick money maker right there, and you'll see them a lot on the roadside. And a lot of people will call you if you make contact with remodeling folks or something like that. You're gonna run into these quite a lot. So it's a good little money maker. Thanks for watching. Get out there and find that stuff, and happy scrapping.